Ridge vents are a total game changer for attic ventilation, way better than those noisy powered fans most people think about. So, ridge vents sit right along the peak of your roof and let hot air escape naturally, which keeps your attic cooler without any noise or extra electricity. A big plus is they don't have moving parts, so once you get them installed, it's pretty much no hassle. Make sure the installation is done right, because if not, you could get leaks or poor airflow. Also, pair ridge vents with soffit vents at the bottom of your roof for the best air circulation. Air needs to flow in and out smoothly. If you live somewhere humid, ridge vents help reduce moisture buildup, which protects your roof from mold and rot. Unlike powered fans that can break down or use electricity, ridge vents work quietly and continuously. Keep an eye on attic insulation too, because proper insulation works with ventilation to keep your home comfy and save on energy bills. Lastly, if you're worried about critters, there are ridge vent covers and screens that keep them out without messing with airflow. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ridge vents is poor installation that causes leaks or blocks airflow. Always get a pro who knows what they're doing to avoid this. Another common issue is not having enough intake vents, like soffit vents, so air can't flow properly. Fixing this means adding or clearing intake points to balance things out. Third, some folks expect ridge vents to cool their attic instantly, like powered fans do. But ridge vents work slower by natural airflow, so patience is key, and combining them with good insulation helps a lot. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know roofing and ventilation stuff. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.